Money doesn't fall from trees, but when you know how, simple online marketing methods can make you 100% passive income. Hey, this is Glyn here, and in this quick message, I'm going to prove to you that passive profits aren't just possible, they're actually easier today than ever before. For the first 7 years of my online career, I did what the gurus said I should, focused on making products, building my list, and affiliate marketing. Financially, the results have been very good. My business now generates 6 figures profits each year, but being honest, it's a ton of work. The only way you get paid with these methods is when sales are made. If you're not actively working, you're not earning. Recently, I was surfing Facebook over my morning coffee. Because like so many people, I get the daily news straight from Facebook. I clicked on an article I was interested in, and I was directed to the Huffington Post website. Here's when things got really exciting. Whilst nothing annoying, nothing that stopped me from enjoying the content, but I figured if Huffington Post is running ads and offers on the site, is it making the company money? The huge answer is yes, yes, yes. Huffington Post banks about $30,000 per day in passive income. Other well-known news sharing sites make 4 to 5 figures in passive daily profits. And even simple blog sites from marketers I've never even heard of are generating 3+ figures in daily income, all simply by sharing trending news content. They're monetizing with passive ads, affiliate offers, and sign-up forms. It seemed too easy, so I tested it, built a basic site and filled it with trending news content I found online, then tossed up a few banners, Google AdSense and Amazon ads, even some affiliate offers, shared the site to my social networks without being spammy, just with posts that said something like, "Have you seen this yet?" I expected nothing. 3 days later, I checked on my accounts. This single site had driven in over $237 in ad income, another $112 in affiliate commissions, and added 44 subscribers to my list. Suddenly, without lifting a finger, I'd made $349 in 3 days and added new leads to my email list. So I spoke with my developer to see how to automate these passive profit sites and how to scale them for even bigger results. Wasn't as easy as I thought, took a lot of time and thousands of dollars, but we got it done. The result is a brand new software. This cloud-based software builds you professional news style sites in just a few mouse clicks. Choose from over 100 authority news platforms to automatically update your site with the latest trending content news. See exactly how to monetize your sites with any combination of passive AdSense and Google Ads, affiliate offers, opt-in forms, and even links to your own products. But because no site will make you money without traffic, Viral Newsjacker has that completely covered for you. It includes 2 built-in spinners that turn the articles it pulls from other sites into 100% unique content, meaning each update gets you higher search rankings for free organic traffic. It includes an image replacement feature. Simply swap out the original article images with royalty-free pics from Pixabay or Flickr for an even bigger search engine boost. It includes built-in SEO, which optimizes specific keywords in your articles to get maximum exposure in Google and other search engines. One-click social sharing makes it easy to grab viral social traffic, and the included language translator lets you automatically translate your content into any language to profit from audiences untapped by 99% of other marketers. Viral Newsjacker is your answer to passive income online. Grab 100% free traffic using trending content that people can't wait to see. Monetize with passive ads and offers where you can get paid even without making sales. Effortlessly build highly targeted lists in any niche you choose. Your license lets you create multiple stunning news sites for diverse income streams in multiple niches. You get step-by-step training showing you exactly how to plug this simple system in for daily profits, plus a risk-free money-back guarantee that completely covers your tiny one-time investment. When you lock in your discounted access today, you'll also take home a custom package of bonuses to maximize your results. So check out the full details below this message, see exactly how Viral Newsjacker is your answer to passive online income, then click the button for instant access, and let's start making passive profits your new reality.